Good morning, dear student. Today I start from here. Toulouse accompanies with his father to control room. In his excitement, he presses the all important red button on the panel, and the mechanical hand from the alien spacecraft stops working. At the same time, the Tilu was with his father in the control room, and in his excitement, the Tilus pressed the red button, and at the same time, the mechanical hand was stopped working. The mechanical hand in the activated again, but it find no sign life on that planet. And after some time, the mechanical hand activated again, and but it find no sign of life on that planet. Okay, student. It was a red letter day in Tilu's life, the day he was waiting for. And there was a historical day in Tilu's life, and this day the Tilu was waiting for a long time. और यह जो दिन था टीलू की लाइफ में एक हिस्टोरिकल डे था क्योंकि इस दिन का टीलू बहुत दिनों से इंतज़ार कर रहा था. फॉर हिज फादर had at last taken him to the control room, and his father took Tilu to the control room. From here, he could see the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. And when Tilu went on that place, he saw that there was the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. What a funny looking thing, Daddy. And at the same time, Tilu asked to his father that what a funny things are looking on that screen. What does it contain? Tilu asked. And at the same time, Tilu asked to his father that what it contained. His father shook his head, can't say for sure. And at the same time, Tilu's father shook his head, and he cannot say sure that what it contain about in. We are only allowed to observe it from far. And Tilu's father said that we are only allowed to observe that spacecraft. तो टिलू के फादर ने कहा कि हमें जो है केवल उस स्पेसक्राफ्ट को देखने के लिए अलाउ किया गया है. बट वी कंट्रोल ऑल इट्स पार्ट एंड कैन एक्सरसाइज आवर पावर इफ इट इज up to any mischief. And if that spacecraft do any mistake, then we can use our power. और टीलू के फादर ने बताया कि अगर वह स्पेसक्राफ्ट कोई गलत काम करेगा, कोई गलती करेगा, तो हम लोग अपने पावर का यूज़ करेंगे. He pointed to an impressive panel with the several colored button on it. And at the same time, Tilu's father pointed there was the several colored button are there on it. और टीलू के फादर ने जो है उस पैनल की ओर इंडिकेट करते हुए बताया जहाँ पे बहुत से कलर्ड बटन्स लगे हुए थे. टीलू लुक्ड एट देम विस्टफुली एंड Tilu looked those buttons in a very quiet manner. Look it's to something, Daddy. And at the same time, Tilu asked to his father, look at that thing. Tilu suddenly noted some movement in the spacecraft, and at the same time, Tilu saw that there was some movement in that spacecraft. और टिलू ने देखा कि उस स्पेसक्राफ्ट में कुछ मूवमेंट दिख रहे थे. Others in the control room saw it too, and other members of that control room was also saw that movement. All eyes were now glued to the screen, and all were watching on the TV screen in a very quiet manner. A mechanical hand was emerging from the spacecraft, and at the same time, there was a mechanical hand that emerging from that spacecraft. और उसी समय उस स्पेसक्राफ्ट से एक मैकेनिकल हैंड बाहर निकली. It was approaching the surface of the planet, and that mechanical hand was approaching to the surface of the planet. और वह जो मैकेनिकल हैंड थी वह उस प्लैनेट के सरफेस के पास आ रही थी. It bent and touched the soil, and that mechanical hand bent at the same time and touched the soil. और वह जो मैकेनिकल हैंड थी वो मुड़ी और सॉइल को टच की. What was it up to? People crowded towards the screen for a closer look, and the people who are gathered around the TV screen, they said that what are it? The telescopic lens of the TV camera zoomed into the tips of the mechanical hand. At the same time, there were a telescopic camera who zoomed at that incident of mechanical hand. The telescopic lens of TV camera zoomed into the tips of the mechanical hand, and at the same time there were the telescopic lens who zoomed and saw the tip of mechanical hand. और जो टेलीस्कोपिक कैमरा था मैकेनिकल हैंड को जूम करके दिखा रहा था. टीलू was staring at the control panel and its attractive button, and at the same time Tilu was also saw on the control panel and its attractive button. और उस समय टीलू जो है उस कंट्रोल पैनल की तरफ देखा जहाँ पे अट्रैक्टिव बटन्स मौजूद थे. An irascible desire got hold of him to press the most prominent of all buttons, and Tilu wanted to got hold of those, and he wanted to press all the buttons at the same time, and therefore after that the Tilu pressed the red one. He moved. और उसी समय टिलू जो है रेड वाले बटन को प्रेस कर दिया और वहाँ से उसको मूव कर दिया. There was a shrill whistle, and Tilu found himself that center of attention. And when Tilu pressed the red button, there is the whistle sound, and after a whistle sound, Tilu become the center of attention. और जैसे ही टिलू ने रेड बटन को प्रेस किया तेज़ आवाज़ आई, विशिल की आवाज़ आई, और उसके बाद टिलू जो है सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन का केंद्र बन गया. His father pulled him away roughly and restored the red button to the neutral position. And at the same time, Tilu's father pulled him away roughly, and he also restored the red button to a neutral position. और तब टेलू के फादर ने रेड बटन को न्यूट्रल पोजीशन में शिफ्ट किए. बट द डैमेज वॉज डन, एंड एट द सेम टाइम द डैमेज दैट वॉज हैव डन. और लेकिन जो होना था, जो नुकसान होना था, हो चुका था. मैकेनिकल हैंड फ्रॉम द स्पेसक्राफ्ट ceased to work, and the mechanical hand was from the spacecraft was not doing at work at the same time. At a press conference held by NASA, scientist was briefing the world's press, and there was a press conference held by the NASA. A scientist was briefing the world press in this incident. और नासा के साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रिलीज़ किया गया, उसमें ये बातें कही गई. एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन गोइंग ऑन स्मूथली विद द विकिंग मिशन, एंड द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ नासा इन देयर वाज अ साइंटिस्ट who said that everything was going to the smoothly on the Viking mission. There is a small hitch. The mechanical hand which was to dig out of the Martian soil for the examination has developed the malfunction, and at the same time that scientist said that the mechanical hand wanted to dig out the soil from that planet, but it was not functioning well. We don't know the cause, but our technicians are confident they will sort it out. And at the same time, scientists said that we don't know what is the actual cause, but our technicians was very confident to control it whatever the damage had done. लेकिन उन साइंटिस्ट ने ये भी कहा कि हमारे जो टेक्नीशियंस हैं इस बात के लिए बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट हैं कि जो भी डैमेज हुआ है उसको हम लोग रिकवर कर सकते हैं. एंड शॉर्टली आफ्टरवर्ड there was another press release from NASA, and after some time there was another press release from the NASA was there. The mechanical hand is working again, and in that press release the NASA said that the mechanical hand is working again. और फिर से जो है नासा के द्वारा जो है एक प्रेस रिलीज़ किया गया, उसमें यह बताया गया कि जो मैकेनिकल हैंड थी, जो काम करना बंद कर दी थी, वो फिर से अपना काम करना शुरू कर दी है. थैंक टू द एफर्ट ऑफ आवर टेक्नीशियन, एंड इन दैट प्रेस रिलीज द नासा सेड दैट थैंक्स टू आवर टेक्नीशियन. Soil samples are being collected and examined, and there are the soil samples are there that are collected and examined. Soon we will know the answer to the question whether there is a life on the Mars, and soon we will able to answer the question that there is the life are there on the Mars is there or not. Life on Mars? Of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is the nearest in location and the physical condition to our Earth. And the planet in our solar system, Mars is the nearest planet in our solar system, and there is the physical condition are same as our Earth. और जो मार्स पे जो फिजिकल कंडीशन है वह हमारे अर्थ की तरह ही है. सो द साइंटिस्ट बिहाइंड द विकिंग मिशन आर होपफुल of finding life on the Mars. So the scientists behind the Viking mission are hopeful, are sure that the life is found on the Mars. But they were in for a disappointment. But when they examined the soil sample, their disappointment and they find that there will no life on the Mars. The Viking mission found no sign of life on the Mars, and in that Viking mission it was sure that all the scientists are sure that there will no life sign of life on the Mars. So, writer of this lesson is Jayant Narlikar. So, student, in next I give the question answer of this chapter, and I hope you understand very well. And if there is any question or any doubt, then you can ask me with the message or phone call. Thanks for watching the video.